Okay. Good afternoon, guys. I hope by the grace of God you are fine. Welcome to St. Mary's virtual class. That is Form 2 class. St. Mary's virtual Form 2 class. Good. We shall look at linear equation today, but we are concentrating on equations with letter on one side of the equal sign. Good. But before then, let's know what linear equation is. A linear equation is a numerical statement that involves what? Equal sign. So if I have 5x equal to 10, it is a linear equation. X plus 6 equal to 5, it is also linear equation. Then y minus 2 equal to 4. This one is also linear equation. Good. Before we shall look at equation involving letter on one side of the equal sign, let's take notice of the following. Let's take notice of the following. If I have 5x, the x is called variable. And then the 5 is called coefficient. So 5x, the x is called what? Variable. And then the 5 is called coefficient. For y is variable, 4 is coefficient. Good. I believe you have understood me. Please, we shall use them in our lesson. So anytime I mention variable and then coefficient, don't get confused. Okay? Alright. Now, let's take examples. So we are going to consider 3 examples. And I believe by the end of the 3 examples, you will understood it very well. So just concentrate, please. Pay attention for me, okay? You know I do it always. So I'll do it for you once again. Don't worry. You don't have problem at all. Just pay attention. Alright? Okay. Let's take example. Example 1. Example 1. I have 3y plus 4 equal to 16. 3y plus 4 equal to what? 16. Good. Now, we are going to use a method known as balancing. And I hope you are familiar with what is called like terms, because when we were doing the exponential equations, I introduced what is called like terms to you. So I believe linear equation here is not too new to you. I believe you know something little about it. Okay. So here, as you know, anytime we have a problem like this, you group numbers on one side of the equal sign, and then numbers with letters on the other side of the equal sign. Now we can also call them terms. Term 1, term 2, term 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. How many terms? We have 3 terms here. So terms with letters on one side of the equal sign, and then terms without letters or numbers, we group them on the other side of the equal sign. Okay. But we shouldn't forget our principle, which is known as inverse operation. Inverse what? Operation. The inverse operation, when it is adding, we subtract. When it is subtracting, we add. When multiplying, we divide. I hope you know them already. Good. So here you could see that we want to group there. So we want to send the 4 here to the other side or to this part. Okay. So since 4 is adding, what do we do? The inverse operation here is to subtract. So we subtract 4 here, we subtract 4 there. Good. So when we take 4 from 4, what do we get? 4 minus 4, what do we get? We get 0, right? Okay. So it is going to be remaining 3y because 4 minus 4 here is 0. Good. So 3y then equal to 16. Then we subtract 4 again. I said that you perform the operation on both sides. Okay? You do it here, you do it there. Oh, never have, now we die. It will teach you more, not here from so. I get it. Don't worry, I can blend the language for you so that you get what I mean. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Leaving only the 3x here. Then you bring your equal sign. Then you subtract 4 again from the 16. So minus what? 4. Good. Now we continue. We are going to get 3y, then followed by our equal sign. 16 minus 4 is what? 12. Okay. So when you get here, now you can see that the 3y here, in mathematics, anytime you have numbers like, or you have terms like 4t, it means 4 times t. 3x, it means 3 times what? X. So, alright. So 3y here simply means that 3y here simply means that 3 is multiplying y. So when it is multiplying, our inverse operation is division. So here, when we get here, we divide what? Both sides. We divide both sides. So you divide here, you divide there. Are we here? You divide here, you divide there. So it is going to be over 3 over 3. You divide both sides by the coefficient. You divide both sides of the coefficient. So 3 cancels 3. So leaving our y, 3 dividing 12 is 4. So our y is equal to 4. Good. Let's take another example. If I have 6x equal to 36, 6x equal to 36. Here, as you can see, the statement is already grouped, so you don't bother yourself at all. So which operation do you think we should perform over here? We have 6x equal to 36. All that we need to do over here is to divide both sides by what? By the coefficient. So it's going to be 6x equal to 36. Divide it here by coefficient. Divide here by the coefficient. So 6 cancels 6. Our x is equal to what? 6. Okay. Then we take our last example. Please, I believe I can clean this one. Okay. So let's take our last example. I want to clean this one. So our last example is so example 3. We are going to have 2x minus 5 equal to 15. 2x minus 5 equal to 15. Okay, so we continue with our normal process. So we maintain our 2x here. We group. So it is subtracting, we add. Good. So we add 5 here, we add 5 there. So 5 minus 5 here, we add another 5, positive 5. So when they add 5, secant 5, it is so what? 0. So it means that this one simply means minus 5 plus 5. So negative, positive. You owe someone 5, but you have what? 5. So let's say you owe someone 5 cedis, and you have 5 cedis, you need to pay. It is compulsory, you have to pay. So when you pay the 5 cedis, you don't have anything left. So it is 0. So leaving only the 2x here. So we have 2x equal to 15. Then we perform another operation here. We add here, plus what? Plus 5. So we are going to have 2x equal to what? 15 plus 5 is what? 20. Now what do? We continue and divide by the coefficient, which is the 2. So we have 2x here equal to 20. We divide both sides by the coefficient. So 2 cancels 2. So our x equal to 2 divided 20 will give us what? 10. Thank you guys. I believe you have understood me. If you have any problems, you can call Set or WhatsApp me on 0249 5673 50. You can WhatsApp or call me on this line. You can reach me on it. Let me give you homework. Okay, so homework. Alright, so that is your homework. Find x in the following. Please make sure that, as usual, after you have finished solving, take a picture of it. Photo. Now send the WhatsApp number with your name. I'll be very, very happy if you do that for me. So I'll expect this work going Saturday. Today is Wednesday. So you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, please. Latest by Sunday, I need to see them. When we meet to, please make sure you remember me so that we go through. Thank you.